Hi, I'm Michelle with Residential Design Solutions, and welcome back to another episode of Front Porch Friday. Today, I'm at the site of this beautiful new build by Sierra Custom Homes in Worthington, Ohio. Today's topic is all about backsplashes and how you can do it yourself. So now that you've decided to install your backsplash yourself, it's time to install it. So now what? First, and probably most importantly, you need to measure the spaces that you're covering. No one wants to get started laying a pattern only to discover they've run out of tile, or that the pattern is too big or too small for the space. After you've measured the space and done the math on the amount of tile you'll need, it's time to start buying your materials, or gathering the tools you may already have. Mark any center lines or starting points on your wall using your level. Apply your thin set to the wall. Only apply small areas at a time so the thin set doesn't dry before you apply the tiles. Make sure your first tile is even and centered right where it needs to be, as this will be the guide for the rest of the tile. After all of your tiles are in place, you're going to want to let it sit overnight before applying your grout. Apply the grout to the tile. Wipe off excess grout from the surface with a clean, damp sponge, making sure to rinse the sponge often. You'll finish up the project by caulking any edges or areas between the tile and cabinets or counters. If you're looking for a little bit more help or direction on your DIY backsplash project, most big box home improvement stores offer free classes on tile laying projects. Thank you so much for joining us on another episode of Front Porch Friday. Give us a like and a follow, and as always, these videos are made for you. So if there's a topic you want to hear about, make sure to let us know in the comments below. And we'll see you next time on the Front Porch.